shlok and logo.
Good morning everyone. I am Shlok Sahu from class 9. Today's thought of the day is our constitution is a set of array. R for X for harmony, O for opportunity, P for people participation and E for equality. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Om Patel. I am from class 9. Today's thought of the day is Constitution is for the people. People are not for the constitution. India is a democratic country. In democracy, the rulers are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that the citizen and government have to follow. All such rules together are called Constitution. It is the supreme law of the country. It gives right to citizens and tells how the government should function. Thank you.
Thank you, Om and Shlok. Updating ourselves with the current happenings is a good habit. It broadens our perspective and knowledge. For news, I would like to call Mayank. Please come forward and enlighten us with the current happenings.
My name is Mayank Sharda from class 9. Today's current affairs are Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired the first budget consultation with industry leaders and experts from infrastructure and climate change. Manika Batra becomes first Indian woman to win medal at Asian Cup. During the ongoing meeting of Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, India got the rules each for exporting products made of shisham and North India rosewood. In yesterday's T20I match between India versus New Zealand, which was tied, and India won the series by 1-0, and player of the series was Suryakumar Yadav. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. So today's topic is Constitution. Constitution is a comprehensive document containing the sets of rules according to which the government of a country runs. Constitution is important because it ensures that those who make decisions on behalf of the public fairly represent public opinion. It also sets out the ways in which those who exercise power may be held accountable to the people they serve. Now I would like to call my classmates to present a skit on Constitution.
Hello everyone. I am Constitution. Samvidhan. Do you know about your Constitution? Our Constitution is 72 years old and it was given to you on 26 January 1950 and it was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Do you want to know more about your Constitution?
Yes, we want to know.
So let me tell you with the help of a skit.
Why are you shouting?
My college friends are going to Goa. Can I go?
Goa? No, you don't go.
Please, Papa, please.
No.
Papa,
Yes.
our college trip is going to Goa. All my friends are going. Can I go?
Yes, you can go.
Please give me 10,000 rupees.
Yes.
This is not fair. When I asked you, you said no. Now you are giving him the permission. Don't I have right to go to Goa?
Yes, you have the right. Our Constitution has given everyone the same fundamental rights, irrespective to gender, girl or boy. Everyone should be treated equally.
Hey, you person, don't know how to walk on road.
I know how to walk on road, but I can't see the road. I'm blind.
So better stay at home. Don't walk on the road.
If I'm blind, don't I have a right to walk on road? Yes, you have the right. Our Constitution has given everyone the right to use of public places, and no one can stop you to walk anywhere.
Hey, stop! Where are you going? Why are you breaking the rules?
I was in a hurry, so I broke the rules. And rules? What are rules? I don't know what is rules.
Wait, Okay, I will tell you what are the rules. Show me your license and where is the helmet?
Do you know who is my uncle? My uncle is MLA.
So what your uncle is MLA, but the rules are same for everyone.
Yes, the rules are same for everyone. The rules are same for everyone, whether you are rich or poor, minister or servant.
Hey Suryanshi, today I'm very tired. Today I have done extra work. My boss has given me extra work to do. Bring me a glass of water. Why are you shouting at me? You don't know I'm very tired? So what? I'm also tired of doing household work. Don't argue with me. You cannot insult me like this. I'm also having the right to complain about this. Go get water for yourself.
Yes, you have the right. Our constitution has given everyone the right. There is protection against domestic violence in law and you can be punished for it.
What are you doing here? You can't pray here. Only Hindus can pray here. Why I can't pray here even? I have also same right to pray here. Our procession is coming here.
Yes, we can worship here.
Leave the place for us.
Wait. You both have the right to worship anywhere, but not on the roads or streets. Our country is a secular country and everyone has the right to practice their own religion.
Papa, I have passed my 12th class and I want to study more.
What will you do?
I want to become a teacher.
You are going married next year.
Please, Papa,
No.
I want to study more.
Go and help your mother.
Don't I have right to study more?
Yes, we have the right. Our constitution has given everyone the right to study, education, and no one can stop you from studying. Now, we all know about our constitution.
Right to equality. Right to freedom of religion.
Right to education.
Right to freedom. Right to constitutional remedies. Right against exploitation.
Cultural and education right.
Now I would like to request everybody to take raised position. India is my country. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am. Proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive. To be worthy of it. I shall give respect. To my parents. Teachers. And all elders. And treat everyone. With courtesy. To my country. And to my people. I pledge my devotion.